Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. This is Rubelinda. And naalala nyo yung vlog ko lately, which is yung Let's Cook Lunch With Me vlog. Nung time na nag-open ako ng Doren, may naiisip ako no ng kakaiba. Let's watch this. Actually, half lang daw ilalagay natin kasi mamayang gabi gagawa tayo ng mango with what if ipaprank ko si mom. Let's see what happens. Let's go. I know this is the first time prank, no? With the camera, but I also nakaprank ko ni mom. Mom, actually mama ang tawag pero we are in the vlog, si mom. Yes. Iva. So I think gonna like this. Nagsasayan na ako ng ketchup ba? Itatago ko yung camera, guys. Yun nga, naisip ko na i-prank ko si mama at that time, which is earlier na. And yes, let's go back to the video and let's go to the exciting part. Let's go. Magkuhan sa mobil kayo na sama ko. Sama ko.
Iska, di nanta ka nga. Kara, manduka, di nanta ka ako lay able. Dako ba yun? Hindi. Kara, yun ba?
Magani ako magkuhan sa piso.
Nanta ka lay able ko dito.
Lumok kita ka-filter.
Nakablade man ka. Ama,
Oh.
kitsa ba na?
It's a prank! Uy, first time ko mag-prank. OMG. So, unsay mo masulti sa ako ang first time na prank?
Hindi, nagbubugan-bugan.
First time, boy. Yes, we made it. So, our acting is not literally okay. Kaya I'm laughing, no? Yes, it's okay, chocolate. Thank you so much for this. Thinking na i-prank si mama, and also, ma, it's my first time, no? Ma, I'm so sorry and I love you. Sorry.